Okay, for the Accessibility Center, we'll go down right here and click System Preferences, and we'll click that. And then we're going to come up here and we're going to see this little kind of like a little guide. It says Accessibility. And you're going to go ahead and click on that. And this is the general, so this is kind of what like everything will do over here. We're over in this section right here. But this is just an overview of everything that we can do, and it's like shortcuts that we could get. So let's say we wanted to go to voiceover. Voiceover would be if someone didn't have as good as vision, and they were partially blind, or even just like didn't have well vision with the computer, they could do things over here, and they can right here they'd click the enable voiceover.
Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver
And there
speaks
you go.
descriptions of items on the screen and can be used to control the computer.
So kind of like how it just talked over us, we just put enable voiceover and it will read anything that you highlight over your screen. And this is a great thing for kids or students that wouldn't be able to see. For Zoom, this is also for kids that are not able as to see, and so you can scroll over the with your thing, and it'll, like my mouse, I just scroll over it and it would make anything zoom. This is really cool. And then it would speak items, like if you wanted it to read while you read and it zoomed up, that would be really, that's something, another thing you could do. And display. So this could be for someone that's colorblind or doesn't have as good vision, or their vision is kind of lopsided. We can invert colors, and this would help students. Or use a grayscale too, depending on what their eyesight is. Differentiate without colors is also a great one. Reduce motion for kids that get like motion sickness. Is kind of weird to think about, but some have a disability of that. And reduce transparency as well. And speech. This is another one that's great, kind of like students that might not be able to type as well, or they just have a harder time. They would just talk over, and it would put what we're saying into words, which is really great for essays for students. And descriptions is just like just a little bit about it, what it's doing. And captions would just be like a closed caption kind of thing, just subtitles that we'd see in everyday, like in a closed caption movie. Audio would be the same thing. They would play the different things that we wanted it to read for us. We didn't have. Dictation is another thing that's really good. They'd just be able to talk to the computer and it'd do whatever it needed for them. And Siri, of course, is just something we all use. Keyboard, they can do an accessibility keyboard, which is really awesome. And mouse and trackpad, double click, spiraling loading. Switch control is great too. So these are all seriously so awesome, and you can put a little display bar that would be able to help you as well. But this is the Accessibility Center that would help all of our students.